Number 5, it says to find the missing side length, leaving your answer as a radical in simplest form. No decimals. Okay, these are all 45, 45, 90. So you can use your trig, but these are your specials. So let's review what your special triangles are. This is the property of the 45, 45 triangle. Okay, the hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 2 times the leg. The legs are just the sides of the 45, 45 triangle. Okay, all right, so we can do A here, right, using that property. Okay, the fact that the one side is 2 radical 2, the other side is also the same. So B is 2 radical 2. Okay, and then we can find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is radical 2 times the leg. So the A, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to radical 2 times the leg, which is 2 radical 2. So A is equal to radical 2 times radical 2 becomes radical 4. Radical 4 just becomes 2. So we can say that this is just 4. All right. So A equals to 4 because of this formula. All right. Now let's take a look at B. Notice that these are going to be the same. We know that the hypotenuse is equal to radical 2 times the leg. Okay. The hypotenuse we already know here, which is 2 radical 6 equals to radical 2 times the leg. To get the leg alone, we divide by radical 2. We divide by radical 2. Okay. So here's very interesting because we can't leave this as dividing by radical 2. So what we have to do is multiply the top by radical 2 and the bottom by radical 2. This is now going to do some simplifying. On top, it becomes 2 radical 12. And on the bottom, it is 2 times 2, which is radical 4, which becomes 2. This cancels, leaving you with just a radical 12 over is equal to the leg. But radical 12 can be broken down into radical 4 times radical 3, which simplifies to just 2 radical 3 as the leg. So there you go. Here we get 2 radical 3 for the first leg, 2 radical 3 for the other leg. Okay, there you go. That is how you use the 45, 45